Hi everyone, I'm Ihsan. In this video, we're going to look at some really useful features on Samsung phones that can make your phone feel faster, easier to use, and more comfortable for everyday use. Alright, let's jump right in and take a look at the features one by one. First, this is for those of you who want your phone to feel faster, especially when opening and closing apps. By default, animations on Samsung phones are already fast and smooth, especially on flagship models. However, there are still hidden settings on Samsung phones that can make animation transitions even shorter and more responsive. Besides making animations faster and feel instant, you can also change the look to feel more elegant, more dynamic, and smoother overall. The animation speed can be adjusted based on your preference, whether you want it very fast, medium, or slower animation speeds. For those of you who want to customize animations in a more personal, in-depth way, there's also an advanced tuning setting that allows you to adjust various animation aspects in more detail. To access these settings, you can simply use the Good Lock app, which you can download from the Galaxy Store. If your Samsung phone doesn't show the Good Lock app in the Galaxy Store when you search for it, you can use an alternative method that we've covered in a separate video. You can check that video from the link in the top right corner. After installing Good Lock, you can install the Home app module. Then enable gesture settings and home gesture animation tuning. From here, you can choose the animation style based on your preferences and needs. For specific settings to adjust only the app opening speed without changing the animations, you can enable the app open animation tuning feature. The setup is very simple. You just slide the arrow to match the speed you want. You can set it from super slow at speed 0 or all the way up to very fast at speed 99. At the maximum speed of 99, apps will open almost instantly, with no delay at all. For those of you who only want to adjust the speed without worrying about the animation itself, you can choose Home Gesture Animation with simple tuning. Here you can directly adjust the speed when closing apps based on your preference. For app opening speed, you can change it in App Open Animation Tuning. Then use Simple Tuning to select the speed that fits your preference. The next feature may look simple, but it really helps with everyday use, and that's the Auto Rotate Lock Screen feature. This feature allows the lock screen to automatically switch to landscape mode. With Auto Rotate Lock Screen enabled, the phone display will automatically adjust to the phone's position when you rotate it, not only on the home screen, but also on the lock screen. This feature is great if you often use your phone sideways. For example, when watching a video and locking the screen for a moment. The lock screen, like the clock, is still easy to see in that position. Turning this on is very easy. Just open the quick panel. Then press and hold the auto rotate icon. Next, enable auto rotate for the lock screen. Now the lock screen will rotate automatically based on how you hold your phone, just like it does on the home screen. For the third tip, you can customize the quick panel to show more icons, or fewer than the default layout. If you use the quick panel often and feel there aren't enough icons, this setting is definitely worth trying. To adjust this, install the Good Lock app, then download the Quick Star module. Inside Quick Star, you can change the Quick Settings button grid by sliding to the right to add more icons, or sliding to the left to show fewer icons in Quick Settings. Here you can adjust the number and size of icons in the quick panel to make it look cleaner, more compact, and faster to access. As a result, important shortcuts are easier to reach without a lot of scrolling. In the Quick Start settings, you can also move the clock to the right side of the notification panel. To do this, just go to Clock Settings, then in the Position and Visibility section, select Right. Next, if you have a lot of apps on your phone, finding apps in the app drawer can sometimes be frustrating, especially when the layout isn't organized. In the latest One UI version, Samsung does offer an option to sort apps alphabetically from A to Z. However, this sorting only works when you scroll down. For the horizontal swipe left and right, apps can only be arranged manually or in a custom order. For those of you who prefer a classic app drawer layout with horizontal scrolling, but still want apps neatly sorted by name in alphabetical order, Samsung does have a solution. To do this, open Good Lock and download the Home app module, then go to the home screen settings. After that, enable Use Horizontal Scroll option. With this setting, your app drawer stays in horizontal scrolling mode, but all apps are automatically arranged in alphabetical order. As a result, finding apps becomes much faster, without long scrolling or endless swiping just to locate one app. This feature also allows you to customize the app drawer grid layout. You can adjust the number of icons per page, resulting in a cleaner, more compact layout that fits your preferences. The next feature may look simple, but a lot of people don't realize it's there. On Samsung phones, you can adjust the flashlight brightness, so it's not always at full power. You can set it based on what you need. To adjust it, just open the quick panel, then press and hold the flashlight icon. From there, you can easily set how bright the flashlight is based on your needs. With this setting, you can save battery by lowering the brightness or increase it only when you really need more light. The next feature is great for those of you who get a lot of notifications but can't open them right away because you're busy or working. This feature is called Snooze notification. With this feature, you can delay notifications for a while and your phone will show them again at the time you choose. So notifications don't disappear like when you swipe them away, they are just hidden temporarily and will show up again. Turning this on is very easy. Just go to Phone Settings, open Notifications, then go to Advanced Settings. From there, enable the Show Snooze button option. Once it's on, you can easily snooze incoming notifications for the time you choose. That way you don't have to worry about forgetting or missing important notifications. The next feature is great for those of you who often share screenshots but don't want the clock or battery percentage to appear in the image. With this feature, the status bar and navigation bar are automatically hidden when you take a screenshot. As a result, your screenshots look cleaner and easier to share, without any extra editing. To turn this on, just go to Phone Settings, select Advanced Features, then open Screenshots and Screen Recordings. From there, enable Hide Status and Navigation Bars option. Once it's enabled, any screenshots you take won't show the status bar or navigation bar anymore. That way, your screenshots look cleaner, more organized, and more professional. For Samsung phone users, these features can help make everyday use faster, more practical, and more comfortable. And if you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends who also use Samsung phones. If you have any requests for the next video, just leave them in the comments. See you in the next video.